Okay, Dan's Messy Garage, Part 3, Polaris Indy 600. It's a 2016 model. I was doing the speedometer hookup, plugging the cable back together, and when I put these side panels on, especially this side panel, I forgot to plug in the whole harness. There's a harness goes from that information center down inside here. I kind of see it there, and I didn't plug that in, so nothing would work up there. I was about to go for a ride, and it dawned on me I didn't plug anything in. And I don't think I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna have to set you guys down. There you go. Just hang in there for a minute. I gotta reach under here with two hands to do this. Okay. Alright, I got her plugged back in. Let me put this side panel back on. And I did find that little push clip for the other side over here. Okay, let's start this up. Keys on, levers up. See if the speedometer works. Yeah, it's working. Okay, it works. Thanks for watching.